All right, well, the cold air, it is here. We've seen it work its way in throughout the weekend, and just a few light snow flurries continuing across the region. But we're not going to see much more snow as we head into the overnight. The main focal point of our forecast is going to be that chilly air, and boy, is it going to be chilly as we head throughout the overnight. Now, a little closer picture here at the Great Lakes, showing mostly cloudy conditions over the UP and then over the northern half of the lower peninsula. Let's take a look now at our current conditions. We are at 10 degrees. That is it. Northwest winds at 8 miles per hour. And as we take a look at temperatures across the entire region, 10 here in Marquette. Off to the west, some locations just a tad cooler. Ironwood at 7 degrees. 10 in Ontonagon, while at 16 in Houghton. It had more of that marine air actually around there, so that's why things are a little more warm for them. 11 degrees a little farther south in Crystal Falls and 11 in Menominee. And off to the east, more of the lower teens. 13 in Manistee, 14 for us into Escanaba, and here in Ishpeming we are at 10 degrees. Now let's take a look at our current winds. They're coming in from the northwest, 16 in Houghton, 12 in Iron Mountain, and at 11 in Munising, continuing to funnel that very chilly Arctic air mass from the north, and we'll continue to keep that in place. Looks like tomorrow looks to be even colder than what it was today. And as we take a look at temperatures statewide, 16 here into Escanaba, but farther south, seeing more of the teens and the 20s, upper teens and 20s here into the northern portions of lower Michigan, and then going all the way down to the state borderline of Ohio and also in Indiana. 30s, 32 in Lansing, 35 in Detroit, and at 34 degrees currently in Flint. And wind chills, wow, you definitely need to bundle up before you head out there. 6 below in Ironwood, at 4 below in Iron Mountain, and 2 below here for us in Marquette. More of the sub-freezing temperatures will be expected as we head into the night. Feeling the chill for sure as we head into the overnight, but then as we go into tomorrow, it doesn't really change that much at all. Isolated flurries will be possible as we go into the early portions of the day. By tomorrow evening and tomorrow night, it looks like a lot of the moisture will be out of here. Temperatures will be well below average as highs are expected to be in the single digits. That is it. And then we'll fall well below zero for most of the region as we head into the overnight hours on Tuesday. Let's go ahead and take a look at what's happening now with your current conditions. Well, Tuesday looking to be very chilly, and we're going to expect that as we go into the afternoon, that those light snow flurries will begin to diminish and will start to work their way out of here as that cool northwesterly flow continues over and over again. Let's take a look now at our Futurecast model. Not really much happening. You can see right here that skies will be cloudy, but not going to see much in terms of precipitation at all. For tonight, we'll be at 1 degree below zero. Spotty flurries, northwest winds at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Your Tuesday, frigid with on and off flurries, northwest winds at 10 to 20 miles per hour, seeing those northwesterly winds 8 and long.